question I wanted to ask was, you've mentioned the very strong companies that Berkshire has that are really international companies like Coca-Cola and the Gillette. But are you considering, or have you ever thought of considering the foreign companies that are undervalued, or have you for some reason not included that in your universe of companies to consider?
We've looked at companies domiciled in other countries, and we continue to look at companies domiciled in other countries. We wouldn't, we're happy for the U.S. and for Atlanta that Coca-Cola is domiciled in Atlanta, but would we pass on it if it happened to be domiciled in England? No, we'd love it if it were domiciled in England too. And we feel that the important thing is the business, not the domicile, although we're more familiar in a general way with domestic companies that are domiciled here, although they may make their money internationally. And we feel a tiny bit more comfortable, but for just a tiny bit, in terms of understanding the nuances of taxes and politics and shareholder governance and all of that, in something where we've been reading and thinking about it daily than someplace where we've had a little less experience. But we would love to find a wonderful business that is domiciled in any one of 30 or so countries around the world. We look some. We don't look as hard as we look at domestic companies. We're not as familiar with them, but I have read hundreds of annual reports of companies spread around the world, and we've owned a few, just a couple. They're usually not as big, so just getting the kind of money in many cases is more of a problem. But some of them are big, and we do not have such a surplus of ideas that we can afford to ignore any possibilities. And if we can find something with a market cap, probably of at least $5 billion or greater, that strikes us as having our kind of qualities and the price is right and everything, we will buy.